Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 2nd to the 14th. First, I want to talk about the impending stormy weather for the East Coast. We're going to look at the various models. We're going to look here at what model is this? This is the European deterministics, and we go to Saturday. Here's our storm here in the Midwest. And then we come to Sunday, 7 a.m. Notice where the 540 line is here. It's across New England. Here's rain, so this might be a mixture in here until you get it to the heavy rain down here across the south. But here's the upper low, and then we go further into the period. And then we have a secondary low trying to form here. So here's the 540 line across eastern Pennsylvania, and in between here probably a mixture. And so there'll be a mixture of rain, sleet, and snow, depending on this this low, how it tracks. It's 993, but also this ridge here to the north will weaken. You can tell that I was early this morning. That I know it's like 1024 or 1030 high, and now it's forecast to be about 1016. It weakens, but still remains here, and this will be the source of the cold air. So depending how strong this is, and the path of the storm will depend on where the heavy snow would be. Now, I saw some reports, looking over this stuff early this morning, that even parts of the I-95 corridor around New York City could get 3 inches or so. So we have to keep a close look on that, close watch. And then we look at the NAM. And you can see the center low across Iowa, 992. And then we go to Sunday, and it goes out here. And as far as it goes out, now this showing like rain here across much of New Jersey, the coast, mixture across southern New England and the lower Hudson Valley, and the snow across the Northeast, wraparound snow here across the Great Lakes. And then we look at the GFS. Here's a storm here, Saturday. This is Saturday evening. You can see here the snow, areas of heavy snow here. Then this will be rain and possible severe storms. And then we go further out into time. Now you can see that mixed precipitation is moving in to Pennsylvania. 540 line across southeast New York to Long Island. So in here will probably be a mix. Here's where the rain will, or the mix will be too. And then we go forward in time. The mixed precipitation was closer. And then this is GFS showing it's snow to rain. And then we get the secondary low that develops, and then this might bring the colder air back. Still a mixture of snow. Then it goes to all snow. This is later Saturday morning, early afternoon, and then still snowing 7 a.m. Tuesday, and then it moves out. So this is all tentative. We still have time to look at this, and we have time to watch as this develops. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for December 2nd to the 6th. And we have a nearly zone of flow across the nation with a trough over the eastern Pacific and the east. You see here near zone of flow. Here's almost near zonal, but with below normal heights across this part of the nation. Then, like I talked before, the upper low negatively tilted trough over the southeast and the mid-Atlantic Monday morning will become negatively tilted. It starts out neutrally tilted because negatively tilted as it slowly tracks up the northeast coast. Surface low expected to track off Cape Cod Monday night and Tuesday. Then we have an upper low, positively tilted trough lingers across California. On Tuesday, the Great Lakes will experience late snow as the trough moves through. And a system moving into the southwest. We'll take a look at that. You can see that we have some heavy precipitation here. We'll take a look at the GFS. And you can see we have snow across this area, little areas of mixed precipitation. And the heaviest snows will be in the higher terrain from Southern California coast Tuesday night through Wednesday, with lesser amounts across Arizona on Wednesday. High elevation snow will be from the Sierra Nevadas and across the ranges of the Great Basin and Central Rockies. The period for December 5th to the 9th. The flow expected to be generally zonal with a trough in the west and above normal heights in the east. As this flow moves out, we come to the 9th. You can see what I'm talking about here. So for this forecast, I'm calling for, is this the right map? Yep. Below normal temperatures here. And for this region, I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees. Below normal and above normal temperatures are forecast for this region, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees are expected. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for this area, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Taking a look at the period for December 10th to the 14th. A trough forecast across much of the nation. You can see it right here. Above normal heights here across the northeast and eastern Canada. So for this forecast period, calling for, that's in the map. Below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 4 degrees, will be near 4 degrees below normal. And then we have above normal temperatures here and for the northeast, northern mid-Atlantic, and calling for anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast for this area and for here, most of the area east of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 2nd to the 14th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.